Okay, I had a request for a very simple tune that most everybody knows. I'll Fly Away. It's an old gospel tune. And we're going to learn it in G. So it's G, D, G, B, D. This is your 1 chord, your G. Your 4 chord is a C chord. So that's, that 3rd string is open, and then your 4th string is also at the 2nd fret. Your 5 chord is like this. Index finger the same place as your 4 chord. Put your middle finger down on the 3rd string at the 2nd fret. So you might practice those chords a little bit if you're not familiar with them. So, the first, let me just play it once through. You can see how simple it is, and then we'll break it down and teach it. This is gonna be a fairly simplified version, and then I'll show you some things you could do to spruce it up a bit after. So I started doing a few things. In my head, I was thinking, how shall I spruce this up? I started sprucing up before I even got to the end. Let me play it with some little extra things. So you're going to start on the 2nd string, and you're going to go bum diddy, and then 3rd string diddy, and then the 4th string diddy, and then the 3rd string diddy. So again, that's 2, 3, 4, 3. Start again. Bum diddy, bum diddy, bum diddy, bum diddy. If you know the words, it's like some bright morning. Okay. Then the next part, bum diddy bum 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 diddy bum diddy. So that's bum diddy on the 2nd string, bum diddy, bum 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 diddy bum diddy, and that is this 3rd string. And so 2nd string, bum 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 diddy bum diddy. Now we're gonna make a 4 chord, and we're gonna play the 3rd string, which is actually an open string. It's not part of that chord, but we want that chord sounding in there. Bum diddy 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 bum diddy. So it's that 4 chord on the 3rd string, bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy. Now hit the 4th string, bum diddy. Now the next line is just 4 bum diddies on the 4th string, open 4th string, bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy. So here's what we have so far. Now the next line is just like the first line. last line. Bum diddy 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 bum diddy. So that's second string open. Bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy. Now make a 5 chord and hit your third string. Bum diddy. And then take it off and hit your third string. Bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy. So here's the whole A part. So that's the whole A part. The B part starts on the first string. Ah. So 1, 2, 3 of those. Ah. Fly away, oh glory. So that's bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy bum 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 diddy bum. That's second string. And then bum diddy bum diddy. So let's do that much. Ready? And first string. Okay, moving on. Make your 4 chord. Your 4 chord here. And you're going to hit again your third string, which is not part of the chord, but it's okay. Bum diddy 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 bum diddy. So that's third string, third string, third string, fourth string, fourth string, fourth string, fourth string, fourth string. Okay, and then the last part is exactly like the last part of the A part. When I die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly away. Okay, so I'm going to play the whole thing. I'll play it very slowly and simply once. Then I'll play it a little bit faster. And then I'll stop and show you a couple of things you can do to kind of spruce it up a little bit, make it a little bit more interesting. Ready? And. Oops, sorry. Ready? This time. And. Hang on. Okay, ready. So I suggest that if you know the words, that you kind of think them to yourself or sing them as you're playing it, because that will help keep you straight with all those bum diddy bum diddy bum, because you're basically just killing time. Now let's just show you some things that you might be able to do to just spruce it up a little bit once you've got the basic tune down. So instead of bum diddy bum 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 diddy bum diddy, you could hammer this note on. Bum diddy, hammer on diddy bum diddy bum diddy. Now you won't hear it very well, but you can do that. And a lot of people will sing, when the morning, when this life is over, I'll fly away in the morning. So instead of bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy, you could go bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy. Okay, that's not too hard. I did fourth string, and the 4-chord bum diddy. Okay. Bum bum bum. Yeah. So in the next line. So you could go when I die. So hammer on diddy, bum diddy, hammer on diddy, bum diddy, pull up diddy. So here's what that sounds like. It's the second half. Okay. Bum diddy, hammer on diddy, bum diddy, pull up diddy. And now we're at the last line. Bum diddy, drop thumb diddy, bum diddy, pull up bum bum. Now, just do the drop thumb. Bum diddy, drop thumb diddy. So what I'm doing is kind of a ghost drop thumb. It's just to get a little rhythm in. Bum diddy, drop thumb. So where I'm saying drop thumb diddy, I'm actually not playing a note. I'm playing just the air. Bum diddy, bum diddy, drop thumb diddy, bum diddy, bum diddy, bum. That's not really a beginner move, so only do that if you're just motivated to play this tune, but you want a little more out of it. B part. So bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy, hammer on diddy bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy bum. And you might want to sort of strum that. Strum diddy bum diddy bum diddy bum bum diddy bum diddy bum bum. Yeah, so instead of that, instead of bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy, again go bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy. Okay, and then. So that's actually doing the same thing that we did just a minute ago. Showed you that. Hammer on diddy bum diddy, hammer on diddy bum diddy, pull off diddy bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy, hammer on diddy bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy. Okay, so if I were showing you just the things that I just showed you. So you could have a lead-in note between the A and the B part. Hammer on diddy, bum diddy bum diddy bum, hammer on diddy bum diddy bum diddy bum diddy bum, dum diddy diddy bum diddy bum. When I die. I'm so out of tune by the end of this. It's that time of night when this This banjo likes to go out of tune in the middle of a tune. But anyway, there you go. I'll Fly Away. If it's something that you've been wanting to do, it was a request, and so I thought I'd fulfill it. Thank you very much. If I can remember how to stop this.